Have you been looking for a performance sedan with styling that won't break the bank? Take a look at this 2020 Alfa Romeo Giulia Sport in Alpha White. With BI-XENON HID headlamps, LED daytime running lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, gloss red brake calipers, active blind spot assist, LED trail lamps, dark exhaust tips, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 14,000 miles on the odometer, 8.8-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, Alpha DNA drive modes, remote start system, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6233.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.